Hello viewers, thank you for joining us. This is our Nigerian food. So this is pomo, dry pomo. You see kakaraka. You see how you hear the sound of the pomo. It's going to abroad. Okay, so yeah, this is dry panla fish. You can hear the sound of the panla fish. You see. So crayfish. We remove the head of the crayfish. This is ogbono, clean ogbono. I peel the back. If you have interest, you can contact us for the pomo. If you have interest, contact us. So this is dry fish, dry panla fish. If you have interest, so this is ogbono, blended ogbono, the seed. So this one we want to send it for with cargo, the seed with the melon. It's going like this with the locust beans. So this is egusi, this is egusi, melon. This one is the blended one, blended with crayfish and pepper. You see, clean egusi. So we have ogiri. This is ogiri. If I open this ogiri, everywhere will be delicious. The aroma of this ogiri is nice. It has oil too. You can see the oil of the ogiri. Fresh. This is fresh ogiri. If you use this to prepare delicious soup, wow, this ogiri is nice. I need to tighten it very well. You see them. So this is one of our viewers who order for it. Okay. So this is our locust beans. If you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number, mix with salt, so that it will last. You can leave it inside house for 1 year. It will not spoil because I've already mixed it with salt. So this is the one that is not soft. Okay, locust beans. You see it very well. I mix it with salt. Iru woro lele. This is iru woro. Iru pete lele. You can use this one to prepare like ewedu. If you don't want to see locust beans inside your soup, you can use this one. But if you want to see locust beans inside your soup, vegetable soup, you can be using this one. It's nice too. So this is dry catfish. Water leaf. So this is scent leaf, dry scent leaf. It has its own taste. So Let's pack the fish. Evelyn, ṣé Manuela ń bẹ ṣeré ṣá? I need to pack it. That will be why open. This is pomo. Manuela, ṣé ó gbé ọmọ ni àbó gbé sílẹ̀? Ó fẹ́ rí mi. This is dry panla fish. Auntie. Go up and leave it right. So we remove the head of the fish. Ṣeré o. Fẹ́ bọ́ta ni. You see? So this is semo. So thank you very much for watching. This is what we want to send to abroad, okay? So if you have interest in our dry pala fish, pomo, egusi, ogbono, locust beans, ogiri, we have them, and blended egusi too. So scent leaf. So yeah, and we have ogi powder, and we have different pepper. Just that we don't have a tatashe, dry tatashe like that. So we have some scotch bonnet pepper, the dry one. If you have interest, you can contact us. So we have some pepper. If you have interest, contact our WhatsApp number. Maybe it's long. Yeah. So as you see, we are drying our scotch bonnet pepper. The processing, watch out, okay? Dry scent leaf. Aviary. Gbẹ́kẹ̀lé. Viewers, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Contact us. Locust beans, dry pala fish, pomo, dry pomo, and egusi, scent leaf, ugu, dry ugu, ewedu. Okay, we have different type of amala, white amala, brown amala. Okay. Auntie mi o, ẹ ti ṣeré tán ni, ẹ ti ṣeré tán. Owó china aṣọ mi. Evelyn say bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye. Mwah. Mwah. Ẹ dàbọ̀.